Alright guys, we are out here at JJ Performance. You guys have seen them on the channel before, and if you guys want to see the longer version of this video, go to their channel and check it out. We're going to be making a whole installation video about this, but I want to come on here and show you guys that we got some new stuff for the side-by-side. Got some parts sent out for us. Look at these. Corbeau actually hooked it up with some brand new seats for the side-by-side, and I haven't been able to get the harnesses I want yet, so those are on the way. But we got Zach over here unwrapping the first seat that we've already unboxed. Let's take a look at this thing. I'm excited. Now, these stock seats over here, they're nice. They're nice, they stain really easy, but they don't really hold you in, and that's one of the issues that I've heard from people that ride in these side-by-sides is that the seats don't really hold you in unless you have harnesses, so this should help with that fact.
I'll tell you what, guys over at Corbeau who wrapped this sucker up,
did a good job.
Give them a raise.
Dude, Corbeau.
Give them a raise.
Dude, they have been so easy to work with. They sent them out. These seats were actually out of stock for a while, but these are the ones I wanted. But dang, these look good. Dude, look at that. Some buckets. Dude, they did it right.
Yeah, they did a good job.
They packaged this thing up. I've never had race seats in anything I've ever owned.
That's because you never raced, boy.
I'm racing now, baby. I'm good to go. Quality is sick. Look at that guy. Oh my gosh. That's gonna hold you in there.
Super sweet. Dang. Getting at that carbon style stitch.
Oh yeah.
It's not so bad.
This thing is sweet, and it came with brackets specifically
Even
for the X3. Even came with hardware.
Man.
I wonder how she sits, dude.
There. Take a jump up in there.
Dude, I'm gonna fall off this table. Oh, dude. They're pretty comfy, man. So, as you guys know, we are not only adding seats in this thing today, we are also gonna be adding a few other parts. Assault UTV hit me up and they wanted to be a part of this build, so we're going to be putting some doors on front and rear bumper hopefully on today, and a few other little miscellaneous parts that they had sent out as well. So I'm super pumped. Got to get some more protection on this thing right here. Anything can happen on these plastic doors right here, but now that I've got these full metal doors, I'm excited to get this thing back on the road again and back driving. You guys know we just picked it back up from getting fixed at Performance East. So yeah, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to take these doors off real quick. Should be just 2 bolts on each side, and pretty easy breezy. So let's get to it.
You know what's in there?
Well, I'm guessing that's how big a door is.
Because it's a door, that's why.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah.
So let's get looking like a 12 or a 14. I think it just slides up and off. So sweet, let's get it done. Look at that. Oh my god, I left it. I must have left it in here whenever we did the video.
Car wash with Jake?
Yeah, we went through the car wash. It was really not that bad until my girlfriend sprayed us with flour afterwards. We were soaking wet. It's not fun.
No.
No. Nice, would you look at that? Right, so we're figuring out now that we need to do some fabricating. Gotta make some spacers.
Yeah, so this bolt right here, once we went to tighten it, we realized the seat belt tab is jamming into the side of the seat, so the slider doesn't work. So we're gonna make a standoff full bushing spacer to hold the seat belt out. That way the seat will still slide and it won't get torn up when it's hitting them.
Perfect.
A little bracket there, so.
Yeah, we figured out a little workaround for the actual seat belt part, but we need something for the seat belt fastener. It smushes the seat so it can't slide, etc. Exactly what Zach just said. So we got that going in here now. We got a lot of extra room in here, so that's good. So this is what issue we're having, is this is smushing the seat when it's tightened, so it cannot go back and forth. These look so freaking sick. Look at that, looking so good. Garrett's actually on his way. He's gonna help me film out today. It's always fun to have your friends come and enjoy the new parts for the side-by-side. So I'm gonna wait on him for a couple minutes. Hopefully the next few clips he'll be here. What you got? What you got?
What do you think? Think that'll work? A little standoff?
Let's see here. Dude, literally perfect. Slides and everything. Oh, I got clearance. You're the man. All right, let's knock some more out. All right, Gary just got here. He's never seen this shop before, so I think he's gonna be pretty impressed. Get it there. I gotta show you what we're doing to your truck next.
What's up? Been a long time.
What you been up to? Been a long time since yesterday.
Hi, Cameron.
All right, so let's get your initial reaction.
Smells good. Oh, big fenders. I like this.
So this is totally custom right here.
Yep.
I mean, you're missing something
Look
right
at the
there.
space.
Yeah, but come back here.
Oh my.
Look up right here.
I don't know how to act.
Dude.
This is wild.
Give it a little sit test. What you think?
Dude, there's nothing better than aftermarket seats.
No,
There's
yeah.
nothing better. When I put some in mine, I was like, this is the juice. And these got good bolsters in them too.
No.
So when you putting Kings on this, huh?
I don't know, King.
Kings, long travel suspension,
Yeah.
the whole yard.
It pretty is long travel already, but yeah, King. I need to hop on board, be the sponsor. We need Kings for the side by side. You think they do it?
Oh yeah.
Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Just like that. Brand new seats, baby. All right. Doors, maybe bumpers today.
Bumpers?
Oh yeah. Just wait till you see what's in this box.
What's in the box?
Assault Industries sent out a giant.
Assault Industries?
Sent out a giant like rear bumper for this thing. It looks
No way.
crazy. Yeah. So I'm excited to see it. At least.
That's sick.
That's pretty quality. Doors, easy peasy. Just like that. See what it is.
What's in the box, huh?
Got some carbon fibre, baby.
Ooh.
Match the seats. So we got the old center pocket, but it's having some trouble zipping and unzipping because of all the mud, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh,
Nice.
that's good.
What are you putting in here? Your camera?
Camera,
Is it waterproof?
snacks. Yeah,
Snacks.
trail snacks. Well, we got some more boxes we gotta open up real quick.
Is that a puppy?
Spare belt, baby.
Oh, solid.
Need this.
Yep.
Why does this side not look the same?
Calm down.
He's tweaking.
Boom, shakalaka. I
Miller.
have no idea what I just did.
He probably just didn't have it on the hole.
Well, you see these bolts were tacked in here, and I just sent them home. I don't know how we're gonna get it out.
I'm tightening it, holding the wrench.
No, there's not. It's a square.
Oh, we just need a bigger wrench then.
This guy stinks. Yeah, that was enough Ugga Duggers. You know what German is?
What?
Good and tight.
Good and tight.
Yep.
Ow!
Mmm.
Are you all right?
Calm down.
Mmm.
Sorry.
You got the tools to tighten this
I
stuff?
don't know. The gaps in the door are bigger than my front teeth.
What did he say?
I don't know why you're ringing.
Out with the old, and with the new, baby.
Heck yeah.
Bam! Put all your camera equipment in here. Look at the nice zipper, dude. Assault Industries hooking it up once again. Tears the new seat. Yeah, can you saw the seat?
Not a chance.
Bottom in just like this. You gotta get low with it, honestly. Like that. Do a little this number right here. You ready? She's in there like swimwear, boys. Yeah, we'll watch this. You ready?
Solid.
Dude,
Yep.
it's coming together. It feels like a side by side again.
One step closer.
We just have 2 more things left. Should we just take them out just to look at them?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, sweet. Yeah, we got FedEx on this shipping. Guess FedEx sent this one because a little rough in the packaging. Oh man,
I got a
I don't know,
little
we
bit.
need to.
What are we gonna race?
We need to race.
What do you drive?
A dually?
Just the dually.
A 95 dually?
That's it.
Is it a Cummins dually?
Nope.
Mm-mm.
It's a Chevy.
It's a Chevy.
You got you got the big block in it?
No,
What motor's in it?
just a.
6.6.
Yeah.
I don't think I got it.
Why are you so scared?
What year is it?
95.
This is 95 with the.
With a diesel in it.
It was a
It's an old
diesel in it.
tractor motor. just had a tractor motor in it.
What kind of tractor we talk about?
So this goes like this. This is gonna look like the whole front end's gonna have to come off for this one. Well, you gotta run all these bolts, and you have to take the A-arms off for that.
That's the cool thing about problems. They'll be there tomorrow.
Well,
But the bumper looks good. I mean,
the bumper
that's
looks sick. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna mount right there like that. All right, let's see what we got in here.
What's in this box, huh? What's in the box? Do they deserve to see it? Because I haven't even showed them yet. I think
they deserve to see it.
You think so?
Look at this, dude.
Oh, that's a big bumper.
That's a big. It's the whole rear end.
That's a big dog.
All right. See how she looks. Oh my gosh. So sit right about there. Well, a little lower.
A little lower.
But dude, that's gonna be meaty.
That's gonna be wild.
Garrett, what do you think, bud?
Looks good.
Looks really good.
Put the doors on.
Doors on.
Fix your light bar.
Oh yeah, we did fix the light bar. We kind of did that
mirrors.
off camera. Yep, we fixed the mirrors. For some reason, they work now. I don't really know.
It's because I'm here.
It's because
I literally went boop and they worked.
Yep.
So.
Yeah, the seats look good. Garrett, you have seats too, and that changed. I haven't driven with this yet, but they changed everything.
It made me feel so much more comfortable. I don't like tense up over jumps anymore. Feel safe. You got more cushion.
We're gonna go riding after we get this thing all put together. We got a front bumper to put on and the rear bumper, and then she's phase 3's done. And I haven't told Garrett about the next stage, so
There's a phase 4.
there's a phase 4.
You'll make it hovered or something? What's the plan?
Basically.
Okay, well.
Yeah, we'll see. Well, you guys stay tuned because this is gonna be fun. Good morning, bud.
Day 2.
You kind of dove right in, didn't you?
Dove right in, bud.
Oh my
Took the front end apart, took the old little winch mount off, put the new assault on.
Dude, it's looking clean.
Yeah, it's gonna be sweet.
This
clean.
is not clean. I'm sorry. I should have
Little
cleaned. I should have
dirty.
cleaned this better.
It's falling on my eyes and stuff.
You got to wear some glasses
Yeah.
so it doesn't fall in your eyes. Things looking
Now
like a
we
buggy.
can we can run through some cow fences and, you know,
Tear up some mailboxes.
go to the pasture.
Rip
Send
it.
it.
Back to work. Let's do it. All right, it is a little later now, and we got the bash bar finally all complete. Winches ran through, skid plates on. Big shout out to Zach who got an early start on this thing this morning, but we got it all figured out. Coming through the plastics right there to drill 2 little holes. Looks clean. Got that all underhand. Got all that underway. Now we are on the rear. Taking all these bolts off. Got these bars mocked up, ready to be mounted. We just gotta pop this little plate off right here, put the bash bar back on, and it'll be solid. And that's all for the rear. So that's actually a pretty easy install after the front. Fronts on these machines are way too complicated, over engineered. So we just got this bash bar left to do, and we'll be all good to go. The Can-Am will be outfitted pretty well. All right guys, it is a few days later now. We're still at the JJP shop, but we're gonna be heading out and going to Cars and Coffee this morning. We are taking the one and only X3. I just kind of wanted to go over and show you guys the final product. I know we didn't get much clips of installing the bumper and rear bumper, but it was super easy for the rear. Front, you kind of did have to take apart the front end a little bit, but it wasn't too bad at all. So the front is looking so good, dude. It looks like a pre-runner style bumper. It's got a little skid plate down there, so that looking clean. And the back looks so sick. You are so well protected now. That thing is lean. But before we leave, I do want to give a big thank you to Corbeau and Assault Industries for hooking it up on these parts, man. I think you guys need to go check them out. I'll link them down in the description. But without further ado, let's head to Cars and Coffee, baby. Sweet. We just made it over to Cars and Coffee. Let's see if we can find the friends. This thing's insanely clean. I'll own one of those one day for YouTube. Wide body it. You're not leaving. You're not leaving. I finally made it.
Awesome.
Where have you been? Vinny's pretty popular here at Cars and Coffees. You know, anywhere this car goes, even if he just pulls over for like half a second, he gets talked into. Seems like a good turnout for Cars and Coffee though. All right, slight change of plans. We're gonna go head into Vinny's, give him a ride in this. Since he always gives me a ride in his cars, we're gonna just see what he thinks of the side-by-side. So this is the supercar of side-by-sides, so I figure we'll give him a little taste of his own medicine in this thing. Gotta tell you, there's nothing better than mobbing with your friends after Cars and Coffee. We got some sweet cars around us too. Oh man, I love this place. I feel like this shop right here is my second home already. So my channel really hasn't seen this as much at all.
Here.
And I told him.
Here, you do the honors. Ready? Oh yeah. There you go.
There we
All
go.
right, now we're in business.
Vinny has a special collection, I'd say.
Yeah,
a special
yeah.
collection.
Yeah, we got, I think 3 of the cars right now are out getting some work done, and
Nice.
3 or 4, I don't know.
Dude, I'm excited. I've always wanted to bring my side-by-side over here because, you know, you always give me a taste of these cars, and I'm ready to give you a taste of that right there.
I'm fucking scared.
It's basically the supercar for the off-road.
I was driving over here, I'm like, okay, there's a dilemma. We have a dilemma. You ready?
Yeah.
There's a dilemma. Do we do it out there, or are you taking me on the road?
I'll do both. You get to see.
Dilemma solved.
Dilemma solved. We'll do both. We'll take you down the street real quick. You can feel the suspension, and then you can see what it can do.
And then we'll just kind of bring it back in and just pop it off out there.
Yeah, pop it off real quick, real quick. All right, we're gonna set this up. I'm gonna give Vinny's reaction real quick. I want to make a whole video with Vinny coming over here, ripping in the cars, ripping on the side-by-side. We're gonna do that soon. He has horses too. I think we're gonna implement that into the video. So stay tuned. That'll be sick too.
Oh shit, dude.
It's got 200 horsepower.
What's it weigh?
1,400 pounds. Oh my god.
Alright. Dude, that is, you know what it feels like?
What does it
It feels like a boat. It feels like you're on the lake and you just
taking off.
Yeah, it's epic, dude. What a cool feeling.
Alright, so this is full drive. We'll do a launch.
Okay.
So.
That's the most unique launch experience I've ever had. Yeah.
I think he likes it, and I think it might talk about it again.
Bro, you're tempting me.
I know, that's what I wanted. That was my plan all along.
In the future, we might have a video of us going to a dealership. That's awesome, dude.
So much
It does it so easily, too.
So easy, man.
Bro, this thing, here I am, like, I'm like racing, right? I'm like, this is gonna be crazy.